Well, now it's time for the part of the show where you ask the questions and our resident genius Einstein gives the answers. This time it's about genetics, more specifically the exciting area of epigenetics. We are all basically determined by the DNA sequence we are born with, known as our genome. But it turns out that our environment can tinker with parts of our DNA, leading to changes that might possibly be passed down from one generation to the next. A viewer from Argentina sent in a question about that.
Oh, she's lazy. Oh. Hello. Nice to see you again. We've been receiving lots of exciting questions from our viewers.
Thomas Francisco Grimm from Buenos Aires wants to know, what is epigenetics? Know the genes and know the man? His appearance? His diseases? His life expectancy? Well, it's not that simple. Certain proteins in cells can turn genes on or off, like a light switch. Two people with identical genomes can end up looking quite different, like these monozygotic twins. Why is that? Diet? Perhaps. Environmental factors like food can affect gene expression, and the changes could be passed on to later generations. Children of mothers who endured longer periods of hunger during a war, for instance, tended to obesity later in life. And even the following generation had weight problems even when their mothers had enough to eat. The modifying effects are stored, not in the genes themselves, but in their switches. So it's not the gene sequence alone that makes us what we are. Proteins that modify genes provide another level of information and can determine whether a harmful gene is expressed or not. Researchers hope to prevent disease by using proteins to switch the relevant genes on or off.
If you have a question, write us by going to our website, DWDE Tomorrow Today. See you soon, and don't forget, the most important thing is to never stop asking questions.
Thank you for that question, and it deserves a prize, our Einsteinian DVD. And if you have a science query you'd like to ask, send it in to us by going to our website. If we answer your question on the show, you'll get this DVD as a thank you.